Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to reheat fries so they're just as yummy as they were when you first got them in the restaurant. If you're ready for that, then let's go. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and put a little oil in there and turn it to medium heat. And let that warm for a second. While that's warming, you're going to go ahead and take out the fries that you have. I'm using seasoned fries. Oh my goodness, those are like the cheap fries. You can use those with anything and they'll pretty much do what you want them to do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and either put those fries directly into the pan once the grease is warm, or use the microwave. If you're going to put them in the microwave, you're going to put them in for about 30 seconds. And then they'll be ready to go right into the pan, so they're nice and crunchy. However, with seasoned fries, they give you a lot of leeway, so you can put them directly into the pan like this. As you see, the grease is a little bit hot, but it's not flaming hot like you normally do if you're going to just cook the fries fresh, period. All right, so now you're going to kind of just move them around, make sure they all have even contact with the pan, and so they all cook at the same rate. And so it's nice and even, and again, you want to make sure there's grease touching every bit of it. And now, I'm going to turn on the timer. We're going to turn it on for about 1 minute before we're going to go ahead and shake those around. All right, now it's time to move them around. They're starting to get crispy here. As you see, the heat has heated up. You see all those nice crispy bubbles? All right, so now I'm going to make sure they're nice and even, and then we're going to put those back on for 1 more minute. One more time with filling. We're going to make sure that they're all even and so they can cook nice. All right, now it's time for a quick little taste test. Here we go. And just so you know, caution, they're hot. They're hot, hot, hot. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get out a little paper towel so they can catch the grease when they come out. So it's not like, like too much oil on there, and you can just enjoy the flavor of the fries. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna take them out. All right, guys, and that is it. They're perfect, ready to serve right here. I let them sit on here for just maybe about a minute or so I can catch any remaining grease or anything, and then just eat. I hope you enjoy this recipe. As you know, we have a cookbook and we talk about the different recipes in our actual cookbook that actually correlate with different romances that we have. So when the characters are eating them, you guys can actually taste those recipes. All right, guys, enjoy. I'll be back, or Chloe will be back with another one soon. If you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe. When I say these are the perfect crunchy, I mean it. Oh, so good.